Hi students, how are you? Hope you are doing good. Stay home, stay safe. Adarsh Vidyalaya Matriculation Higher Secondary School welcomes you for online class. I am Janani, your computer science teacher. In this session, we are going to start with Chapter 1, Basic Parts of a Desktop Computers. What are the basic parts of a desktop computers? Basic part in the sense the parts which are necessary for a computer to function. So these parts are called basic parts of a desktop computer. The parts which are necessary for a computer to function is called basic parts of desktop computer. Now tell me, what are the basic parts of desktop computer? Monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU, power cord are the basic parts of computer. For this session, under basic parts of desktop computer, we are going to see monitor, power cord, computer case. Under computer case, front of computer case, back of computer case, peripheral devices. So what we are going to see? Monitor, power cord, computer case, front of computer case, back of computer case, peripheral devices. So now comes the question. What is computer case? Yes, computer case is nothing but your CPU. CPU is also called as computer case. CPU is also called as computer case. First basic part, monitor. You know what is monitor, right? How the monitor will look. Yes, listen, the monitor works with the video card. When you on the monitor, we are getting a colorful display. Do you see? That colorful display is possible only because of this video card. A monitor works with the video card where it is located inside the computer case. What is the computer case? Nothing but CPU. Yes, the monitor works with the video card located inside the computer case to display images and text on the screen. Come with the definition again. Monitor works with the video card located inside the computer case to display images and text on the screen. The technology used for monitor is LED, LCD, CRT. What is LED? Light emitting diode. What is LCD? Liquid crystal display. What is CRT? Cathode ray tube. Can you see the first picture? This is the technology is CRT. The technology used in first computer is CRT. Do you remember the Kalaignar TV which we have at home? Yes, few students have seen, right? So the technology, the computer will be very little more big in size than computer which we see now in our lab. Yes, so CRT is the oldest technology. What we are using now is LCD and LED. These are flat displays. Have you seen a thin and slim slice monitors? In our home also we have our TVs, a slim, flat LED TV, LCD TVs. The same technology used in your monitor also for displaying text and images. Hence, CRTs will be bigger in size, whereas LED and LCD will be flat panel monitor. Do you understand, students? Yes. So the monitor works with the video card located inside the computer case to display images and text on the screen. Next comes power cord. What is power cord? Can you see in the picture? I have shown you a sample power cord. Yes, Can you find two ends over there? Yes, right. One end is connected to the power outlet where your power comes out. It is connected to the power outlet. Another end is connected to the power supply unit of the computer case. Again, what is the computer case? Nothing but the CPU. So one end is connected to the power outlet and another end is connected to the computer case, nothing but the CPU. Yes, now come with the definition. Power cord is a link between the power outlet and power supply unit in the computer case. Repeat along with me. Power cord is the link between the power outlet and power supply unit in the computer case. Yes, now you understand? Right. So, if power is not there, power is not plugged in, what will happen? So, computer will not have any power. Yes, it will not have any power supply. So, what happens if you want to use then also your computer? Exactly what we do in our home. If you don't have power supply, we will be using the UPS. What does UPS stands for? Yes, now you will know. UPS stands for uninterruptible power supply. Uninterruptible power supply. So in case power is not there, we can use UPS for temporary power supply. Right, students? Do you understand? Right. So what is a power cord? Power cord is the link between the power outlet and power supply unit in the computer case. Next basic part is the computer case. Already I told you what is computer case? Nothing but the CPU, which we call it as a CPU. Right. See, actually CPU is a chip. It is inside the computer case. That also it is mounted in the motherboard. Whereas computer case is the full CPU, what we are calling is now is called as a computer case. This computer case is the metal and plastic box that contains all the main components of the computer. So computer case is the metal and plastic box that contains the main components of the computer. It only houses the motherboard, CPU, power supply and more. So all the ports, everything is only in the computer case. So the CPU is also called as tower computer case. Any doubt, students? Right. The computer case is the metal and plastic box that contains the main components of the computer. Yes. Next, front of the computer case. In many of our houses, we have our computer in our home. Or you have seen your computer in our lab and also in your parents' working office or somewhere in departmental store. In more places, we will find the computer. Yes. So, have you noted what is in the front case of the computer case? There will be drive base. Whenever you see a small button will be there at the top. When you on it, a drive comes out. When you again press it, the drive goes in. So these are called as drive base to insert your CD and DVD. Next, there is your power switch. Even when you come to a lab, you will on the CPU. Do you remember? After on the switches, you will on the CPU. So that is the power button. Next, you will be having your pen drive slot. Do you remember the pen drive where you will insert? So that slot is called as the USB in general. So USB is called as USB. The full form is Universal Serial Bus. Universal Serial Bus. Next, we have a small two holes. Can you see in pink color and green color? So these are for microphone and headphone. Headphone is what we can hear. Microphone is like what you can communicate with a mic, which has additionally mic over that is called as a microphone. Right, now you got an idea of headphone and microphone. Headphone is simply used for hearing, whereas microphone is used for both hearing and also communicating with others. Right. Next, we have card reader. We will have many card readers, right, in cameras and all. So same way like your USB slot, we have your card reader slot also in front. So this front panels is different for different computer cases. So this front case panels, actually it is varies from companies to company. HCL will have different design, Sony will have different design. So many companies will have different design for front panels. Yes. So let us conclude. It consists of front panel, drive base, power switches, USB port, headphone, microphone, card readers. Next, what are things in the back of the computer case? See to the picture. There are lots and lots of ports are there. Serial port, parallel port, VGA port, microphone port, Ethernet port, network port, PS bar 2 port, yes, power supply, yes, power supply unit. So lots and lots of ports and connectors are there. This we will discuss in the next upcoming sessions. So as of now, you would get a general idea. It consists of many connection ports, right? Next, now we know what is basic parts of a desktop computer. Apart from this, there are many devices related to computers. Many devices which are connected to computers. So what are they? Do you know printer, scanner, web camera, joystick, etc. So these are devices which are not basic part, but it are connected to computers when needed. So apart from the basic part, the other parts of a computer is called as peripheral devices. Peripheral devices. So apart from the basic part, there are some devices which are connected to computers. That parts are called as peripherals, which are connected into the extra ports of the computer case. Clear, students? We will have a quick recall. We'll come to the end of session. Monitor. What is monitor? The monitor works with the video card located inside the computer case to display text and images on the screen. Next, what is power cord? The power cord is the link between the power outlet and power supply unit in the computer case. What are there in the front case? DVD, drive base, power switches, USB sockets, headphone, microphone, sometimes card reader, etc. What is in the back side of the case? Yes, it contains many connection port for connecting various devices. At last, what is peripheral devices? Apart from the basic part, the other parts of the devices of the computer is called as peripherals. Example, web camera, scanner, printer, joystick, yes, etc. Yes, students, it's time for questions. You can write answer and post back in your corresponding group. First question, what is the use of monitor? Second question, list out the peripheral devices. List any 5. Write the abbreviation of LCD, LED, CRT, USB, UPS. What are the basic parts of the computer? Last question, define power cord. Hey students, thank you. Yes, thank you. Bye.